Side banners are powerful for drawing attention, and in this tutorial, you'll learn how to design one using simple but effective custom shapes. Open Photoshop and create a vertical canvas. Select the Custom Shape tool and draw a tall rounded rectangle along one side of the canvas. Change its fill color to a bold accent tone. Duplicate the shape and resize the duplicate slightly smaller, placing it on top to create a layered banner effect. Now add a small arrow or chevron custom shape pointing inward to guide viewer attention. Use the Type tool to add short, impactful text such as limited offer or new update. Apply a subtle drop shadow to the top banner layer and slightly rotate it for energy. Zoom out, the side banner now commands attention.